aerosol, blade wash, blade cleaner. All three of these are effective at disinfecting your clippers and trimmers, but is one better than the other? And when should you use each one? Keep watching and find out. Both of these have lubricating properties. Now the blade wash does not. So if you use blade wash, then you are going to need to oil your clippers afterwards. So if you're going to be doing back-to-back haircuts, then my personal recommendation is for you to use this aerosol disinfectant. The contact time for all three of these is 10 minutes, but I'm going to explain why this one is the most efficient in my opinion. The way that you use the aerosol is clean your blades off front and back, spray a layer on the front and the back of the blade. Let it sit for 10 minutes. So let's say if you're doing a haircut and you're done with the clipper, go ahead and spray the disinfectant on the blades and let the clipper set. So that way, by the time you move on to your next haircut, this will have sanitized for 10 minutes. You can use these two in between haircuts. However, I feel that it's a lot more messy and time consuming. With the blade wash, you have to open this container, pour blade wash into this container, dip your clippers in the solution for about 10 to 15 seconds, wipe the blades off, let it sit for 10 minutes. Then you have to dispose of this, and that's just a mess in my opinion. The only difference in this one is that you don't have to pour this into a container. You simply just open the top and dip your clippers into the solution for about 15 to 20 seconds. Let me interject really quick and ask you guys this one favor. Please subscribe to the channel. We're on a mission to get this channel to 200,000 subscribers, and I can't do it without you guys. So please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, back to the video. So do I still use all three of these? Yes. However, these two, I tend to use these at the end of the day to disinfect all of my clippers and trimmers. And I use this before and after every haircut. So in a nutshell, all three are essential and play their own roles. My advice, buy all three and use them accordingly. If this video helped, be sure to like this video as well as leave a comment below.